Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I made my air dry clay plant stand, and you can fit a total of 4 plants on it. And I guess with like the little arch I made, you could also put like an air plant in there, like small cuttings, or even like a tiny plant. So I guess a total of 5 plants. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so to make this plant stand, I'm going to be using this old cardboard box that I had. Any type of cardboard box will work for this, and I'm going to be using this for the base of my project. This little side piece that you guys see here seemed like the perfect width to make my sections for the plants that I'm going to put on this stand, and so it's 3.5 inches wide. The plants that I'm going to place on this are my smaller plants, which are about 2 inches wide, but this could fit bigger plants. This first piece that you guys see me bend up is going to be my first section, and it's already 3.5 inches wide. And now I'm taking that little cardboard piece that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm going to use that to sketch out another 3 sections because I want this plant stand to be 4 tiers. And so now I'm just going to cut off any extra cardboard that I don't need. Okay, so now we have our 4 rows, and this first row right here, I'm going to make it 1.5 inches high. And then I'm tracing these out in white so that you guys can see it better because the pencil's really not showing up. And then for the second row, I'm going to make it 3 inches high. And so every section, I'm just going up 1.5 inches. Okay guys, so I wrote down my dimensions for you guys if you wanted to use the same ones that I did. And so my tallest row is 6 inches, and then 4.5, and then 3, and then 1.5, and they're all 3.5 inches wide. So then I just cut this out. And then I decided I wanted to sketch in a little arch in between the tallest 2 rows. And I didn't use exact measurements on this, I just kind of freehanded it. And then I used a nursery pot to help me make the arch. But the closest measurements to the arch that I made is that it's about 4 inches high and a total of 3 inches wide. So then I just cut the arch out, and I made sure to trace out another one of these because we're going to be needing 2 of them, and they're going to be standing up like this. Going back to that cardboard piece that was 3.5 inches wide, now I'm going to use that to tape everything together. And just make sure to go all around this. You guys can see better than I can explain. So you should end up with something that looks like this, and now I'm just going to cover this all up with some clay, so roll out your clay. I'm going to cover up my little plant stand in sections to make it easier for me. I'm starting with the top part right now, and I'm trimming off a little bit of the excess clay. did leave a little bit of the clay, as you guys can see right here, because I do want the clays to overlap when I attach new sections. And then I'm just blending this clay into the cardboard to make sure that it does stick. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna repeat this step all around until all of the cardboard is covered. And then when I have pieces like this meeting, I'm going to use my modeling tool to help this all blend together. Okay guys, so now that the cardboard is fully covered, I'm going to set this aside to dry for about 2 to 3 days. Then I decided I wanted to add little flowers to my plant stand, and so I'm going to use this flower mold, and I'm going to use Sculpey clay, which is a different kind of clay from the one I used for the plant stand. And I'm going to pop out a bunch of little flowers using this mold. I think I made a little bit over 20 flowers, and I didn't actually end up using all of them, but it's better to have more than less. Okay guys, so here's our plant stand dry, and so now I'm going to give this a really good sand because on some of the connecting corners I didn't blend it out as well as I should have, so the sandpaper is really going to save me here. And now I'm going to paint, and I'm going to be using the color Golden Straw by Deco Art, and this color is such a beautiful mustard yellow. And I chose to use a mustard yellow because I actually don't use a lot of yellow in my projects. Okay guys, so here are my little flowers dry, and then I painted them, and I just used a bunch of different colors for these. So now I'm going to place the little flowers randomly wherever I like them on the plant stand, and then I'm going to hot glue them into place. Lastly, I'm going to seal this with Deco Art's matte varnish. But yeah guys, now we're done, and I am absolutely obsessed with this. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!